Wifey wants corn split perfectly. Stand it straight, don't mess up. Grab big scissors now. Stab inside and twist it hard. This creates a super solid grip, so my clumsy hands won't slip. Slicing kernels off is real smooth. No emergency room trips today. She might actually praise me. Wifey just demanded the most perfect watermelon slices. And honestly, my hands are sweating bullets right now. If I mess this up, I am sleeping on the couch tonight. So, I am trying out this crazy viral hack to save my life. Slicing it up into these super neat little squares. First, making sure every single cut looks absolutely spotless. So she thinks her husband is a total kitchen genius. All right, look at that beautiful triangular wedge right here. But wait, my legendary grandpa actually taught me a better way. Forget the knives, we are pulling out some dental floss. Yeah, you heard me right. We are using minty floss today, wrapping it tight around my fingers like a pro garrote, sliding it smooth right down the rind just like butter. Boom, clean separation. Wifey is gonna be so proud of me. Pineapple hack time. Watch a master at work. Off with its head, smooth chops only. We don't need the bottom anyway, keeping it clean. Just slice right through the eyes, easy money. Look at that grid pattern, pure genius. Peeling is for casuals, we do it fancy here. Just slice the core out like a total surgeon. And look at that, perfect spears for my better half. Grill is fired up, let's secure the meat payload. Gliders out, lining them up like soldiers. Skewer them all together so none of them escape. Locking it in from both sides, engineering peak. See, one giant mega dog ready for action. Flip them all at once, no dog left behind. Look at those grill marks. Wifey is gonna love this efficiency. Toaster Part 2, the Corn Chronicles. Lube them up with a whole block of butter. Gotta coat every single golden nugget. Nice and charred, just how she likes it. More butter because my doctor isn't watching. Toasted corn is a vibe, trust me on this. Drop some butter in the sack, keeping it cozy. Fold it tight, lock in the magic. Nuke it till it screams, setting the clock. The smell of victory is in the air. Fresh popcorn straight off the cob. I'm a wizard. Wifey said cut the burger in equal shares. Using the apple slicer because math is hard. Pushing with the force of 1,000 husbands. It's resisting, but my survival instincts are stronger. Boom! Tiny burger bites. Perfect for sharing. Yo, did you know mixing an orange with its peel, a red onion, a lemon with peel, 3 cloves of garlic, and some fresh ginger, then boiling it for 10 minutes straight, literally obliterates lung mucus right at the root, kicks bronchitis out, stops that nasty cough, clears out your airways, and totally wrecks throat inflammation? Try it! Behold the mega grater cage of destiny. Drop the corn inside, let's give them a bath. Boiling them right in the cage, maximum containment. Steam bath activated, locking in the juice. Uncage the beasts! And now we slice. Clean cuts, no mess, pure satisfaction. Check this out! Toss 2 tomatoes straight into the blender. Squeeze the juice of 2 whole oranges. Add juice of 1 lemon. Half a glass of water and blend for 1 minute. This magical elixir balances your blood sugar. Fights diabetes, crushes bad cholesterol, keeps your liver happy, buffs your bones, and deletes your daily stress. Easiest Easter craft ever. Dump 2 tubs of whipped cream in a pan, spread it out smooth like a canvas. Get those neon colors ready. Time to unleash your inner Picasso. Pink, green, purple, and orange. Swirl it around until it looks totally groovy. Tie-dye effect achieved, looking sharp. Roll the eggs right through the cloud. Forget the old messy cup dye method. Let them sit, then take them to the sink. Rinse off the fluff and boom! Gorgeous pastel eggs, wifey approved. Look at that masterpiece! Go try it out! Prepping ground beef for the freezer. Flatten it out with a wine bottle, roll it smooth. Create a grid using the back of a knife. Fold it up perfectly for easy portioning later. Wifey said my lungs need a serious detox ASAP. So I'm tossing in some unpeeled lemon slices, a couple of cinnamon sticks, plenty of fresh ginger, and some garlic cloves. 15 minutes later, you get this absolute magic potion. That clears out all the nasty gunk right away. Soothes that annoying dry cough. Opens up the airways and keeps your body fully protected. Now wifey wants perfectly minced onions, but no crying allowed. Grab a jar lid, slice right through it, and boom, 0 tears. Time to make some epic meat skewers using an old soda bottle. Stuff the seasoned beef inside, place it over a glass. Look at that perfect shape. Wifey is gonna be so proud. Next up, we are skewering some cooked pasta like a pro. Add some pepperoni slices, tons of cheese, and sweet corn. Bake it till bubbly. This is basically pizza on a stick, guys. Want to reheat your leftovers without losing that juicy flavor? Put a small lid inside the pan. Stack your plate right on top. Super moist and perfectly hot, just the way she likes it. Never pour hot grease down the drain unless you want a lecture. Shape some foil inside the sink, catch all that leftover oil, wrap it tight into a ball, and toss it straight in the trash. Tired of oil spilling everywhere when you try to cook? Flip that little plastic pull tab upside down and pop it back in. Now you have a perfect mess-free drizzle every single time. Trying to look fancy by flattening cream over a mug like this. Scrape off the extra, wipe it clean. Rock-hard butter is the ultimate breakfast enemy. 30 seconds later, it spreads like an absolute dream. Mom literally taught me the greatest hack for slicing bananas. Just push this little cutter straight through, instant slices! Then rubbing it on a cheese grater for a cool topping. Take a wavy spring wire, press it down on a boiled egg. Pour some warm milk straight inside, shake it up real good.